Ngayon po, gagawa po tayo ng apple, carrots, and oats muffins. Ito po yung mga kailangan na ingredients. Flour and melted butter. Oops. And then grated carrots. And then pumpkin seeds. Zest of orange. And vanilla. And then baking powder. Brown sugar. Cinnamon powder. And 1 egg. And apple. Chinap ko na po siya into cubes. And yogurt. And orange juice. And oats. And then, pinaghalo ko na po yung butter, tsaka brown sugar, tapos yung orange juice, tsaka yung orange zest, and then egg. Tapos, ihalo ko naman po itong yogurt. And then, mix them together. Tapos, ito na po yung pinaghalo ko na po yung flour, oats, and baking powder, and cinnamon powder, and a little bit of salt. And then, I need to put vanilla into butter. And that's it. Hindi ko lang pong haluin ito kasi nabuo-buo pa yung yogurt niya. And then, ihahalo ko na po siya sa dry ingredients. Ito po, hinalo ko na po siya. And then mix together. That's it. Oh. Ayan po, nakahalo na po siya. And then, next, yung carrots po na grated, inihalo ko na rin po. And then, yung chinap ko na apple. That's it. Ayan ko yung haluin mo. Maigi. And then, mamaya po, lalagay ko na po siya sa butter cup, sa paper cup, sorry. Ito na po yung kinalabasan ng mixture. Apple, carrots, and oats muffin. So, okay na siya. Lagay na po natin siya sa paper cup. Okay po. Ito na po yung carrots, apple, carrots, and oats muffin. I-bake na lang po natin siya for 25 minutes and then wait for the finish po.